Colors name, रंगों के नाम. Red, R-E-D, red. Red means लाल. Next color, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow means पीला. Next color, green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Green means subs. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Black means काला. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown means भूरा. Next, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Blue means नीला. Next color, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange means Malta. Next color, pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Pink means gulabi. Next color, purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Purple means jamni. Gray, G-R-A-Y, gray. Gray means surmai.